no, because me no want when you do song and me answer it, nobody open up their mouth and tell me say me love problem. If you say yes, I me feel like the S match for spice. If you say the blue, I me feel like the blue, the B after the word blue match for me blue ear. I'm going to answer one this up.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless, love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Big up on kings, queen, lion and lioness. Brothers, sisters, lovers, haters, friends, families. Yes, man. Viewers and subscribers, we have Queen of Dancehall, Grace Hamilton, Spice finally, answer. And I give her 2 cents on Marion Hall, you know? As I say. Me personally want to see them live good because the cake big for everybody. All of them for eat them food and make them money. Also the male artists, them, you see me? But I'm going to make on the hair of Spice, I say. And she clear the hair. I see me? Yeah, man. Alright, so here I go.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, you don't know. Big up yourself. Besties, I love you. I love you too. Who that have my name? Lexia Grace. Big up yourself. Bestie, don't respond. Me I gotta respond. Grammy Queen. Pinkster 34. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Alright. My besties, them and me share one different relationship. Who don't know me very small. Them say for me to be the bigger person. I am not big. So that's how I'm gonna start it out. I am not big. Me small. Me very small. And we make it blow off and I never got answer. But you know why me answer? Me answer because me not have no luck. That's why me answer. Me address certain things because me not have no luck. Me not really lucky. Me don't know why, but me not lucky. My name verifical. Yes. So that is why me answer from now. Because me hear one specific thing. Me not listen to everything. So somebody who can guide me. So we can be clear for everything. Because to be honest, me not really sit down and listen to everything. I just chop. Me get it because of my fans. Them will tag me in a certain things and send it to me. So me will address the look past pieces them when me hear. So the main reason why me address this is because me hear about song. And me answer from now because I don't want when you know me ignorant and stay. I don't want if song come out and me hear one word, me not put it to sentence. Me hear one word what sound like me and me start bust it up. You know say is me trouble them. So me answer from now in advance so you can know say Tom drunk but Tom no fool. Somebody say me have to pull over. Try drive and keep your ear on the road. Try drive and keep your ear on the road, but wait, me have to go pull over. So me could just clear it up and get it out of the way because me want to put one line and jump and run off everybody and kill off themselves. A long time people are saying I'm gonna throw it off for me. I just Bill. So me could go in it. Somebody say me stop cook. Me eat to no God no. We can't bother. Remember different categories out. Different categories out, you know. Video supposed to come soon. We have different category competition coming up. So we want to try get ready, start learn the song from now because we're going to karaoke setting. So we have to sing the song. Yeah. And they say it there. Different category. Yeah. Ordinary, me never ordinary. Me in a different. Me in a different category. Yeah, different category song out. So make sure so you get it. Speak American English so we can't bother. Look here. Me will try. I'm not going to say that because I know I have my fans them want to understand the deep patois. So let me just calm down and try. Phone I go dead, Lord Jesus. You can't stop it. You don't take nothing serious. You come like me. I don't understand. You come like me a rub off for uno or uno rub off for me. You don't take nothing serious. Somebody said them not here. You not here. Hold on. Them say Americans don't need it right. That's so straight patois. You should. You tell me if you not hear me. Because I must say I not talk 2 times, 3 times. If you not hear me, tell me so you not hear me. Let me start. Lip a chop up. Alright, somebody say I'm hearing you loud and clear. We're hearing you. I feel them phone because we're hearing loud and clear. The Americans understand so you can stay there. Okay, they might hear me. I was at work. I was filming for Love and Hip Hop when the whole situation come to my attention. Say, one time Spice, I go say this, you know, so she not address it again. Sparks, you over here, Sparky baby, you reach over here. What are we over here? Me never start talking at 11,000 now, Uno. Me not understand this. This is why most people that really genuinely love me and care for me always call me and tell me, say, don't answer. Because this is what them want. Them want me to go up on live and address them, talk about them, so them can get this. But sometimes, you better you talk from now, especially for people like me, because further down the line, me no want go ear say this and ear say that, so I want to clear it up from now. Nobody no distract me. Who don't make me laugh? Come on, me I stop reading comments. Stop. Me I go stop. Alright. The minister put out a video and she say my body no look good. She said Jada Kingdom weak. She said she need a writer. And she go down in it and she go on with that. But here is my local 2 cent panic. I'm not going to stay long to know. I just going to talk when I have to talk and I'm going to leave the live. She call everybody couple name on the live. I never really fit them name she want call here. And me short for. So when she go say Jada weak, I never really that she want to say. When she go say that one day one writer, I know that's the problem. And me are the problem. Me is the problem. It's not nobody else. But me and God knows say if she did just come say Spice, like how everybody always did say Spice, it would have come off a little way. So she just throw in the little seasoning them round it for pretty it up. But it's me are the problem. So no, you don't have to dry nobody else in it for make it look a little weird. Just come straight and say me are the problem. Jada don't do nothing. Jada is a sweet little girl, talented as fuck. Jada body band so. I don't like me where I do my little liposuction because you say me no look good. You say me no look good. So, left Jada out of it and left, you don't really want to talk about them. I don't really, them are the problem. And me are the problem. And what if people say, it coming like say, she ate Spice. I don't just know, a long time. But I want to give you the history, right? So you can understand and you can know where it come from. It not just come from a So some people are saying, look like she had for spice, she look like she ate spice. I not just know. So let me just go in it and tell you from where it start from and how it go. Me come, remember, you know, me come here already come tell you, know. Me tell you this from 2016. So ladies are bad mind. But you never believe me. You never believe me. Me talk this from, hold on. Can me just screenshot it, hold on. You know me not so 222, hold on. It may blurry. But me I go read this phone now. Me I go read it phone now. You know why I read it phone now? Because me talk it long time. Say the woman bad mind and you never believe me. And now the woman turn around come prove it to for herself. This is an interview me doing at the Star. The date pan the Star, you can go read it for yourself if it's not clear. What is May 14, 2016 or what? Hold on, because this is sitting and never come up good. I have to go back past Star. Let me see date. Hold on, I can't even move my picture. Let me have my next phone. The Star say after one stellar performance and the biggest name them in a dancehall and reggae, best of the best was without drama. Was not without drama. As dancehall artist Spice blasted Lady Saw for being unprofessional. Me never forget it. Remember everything about it. Me go a best of the best of Miami. And I am on the show and she up on the show. And of course, at the time, she was the queen of dancehall. You can't hear we hearing now. I'm up on top because I come like say, them can stay far. I lock off that sound, yeah. You can't hear now? Somebody just comment if them are hear. Yeah, them can't hear good. Alright, so, what me did there now? Me go a best of the best. When me go a best of the best, me supposed to perform. Everybody who perform. And then, ladies are supposed to perform long after me. Obviously, she's a bigger artist. She a queen of dancehall. And she perform after. Me get the lineup. Because you know, best of the best is a very professional show. So when you go, them give the lineup, you know who perform. Me A&R Neil Diamond did there. Me just remember, if him willing to talk, he must remember. Because this is not something me ever forget. Me always remember. Neil Diamond was there with me. Me get the lineup and everybody know who I go on, what time, because this is best of the best in Miami. Me the backstage and me know say after a certain artist and me if you go on. Me I walk towards the stage because it's my time to perform. When me look and listen good. And the lady that me hear upon the stage. Me forgot what she say. A lady saw that run gone on the stage go perform before me. And not only did she run go perform before me, she performed way over time, one long length of time, and she don't want to come out of the stage. All because what? She tried to stop me. Because before, she a beef and I say, first of all, because me soon I do it with me now to want to compare me to other people. You can't listen to people and the media. You keep your focus, you do what you do. Me no come here for compete with nobody and compare myself to nobody. Me come here for feed me two look up in them, where the two father them now mine, and make my money and do what me I do, set my goals and reach my goals, and that's it. That's it. Me no come here for in a nobody way. Me no come here for stand stone. Me see one man post one picture with one banana and banana start young until it shrivel down until it done. Me have me time and everybody have them time. Who are gonna come after me, I go have for them time too. Me no come here for stay no stone. So let me just done. The lady take up this thing in her, we're still in her, and it cannot come out her all when she in the church. It's in her, this black, dirty, evil. Almighty God, make say me can see it on the woman's face. This woman take up this envy and this hate, all because people are compare me to her and I say, I'm me are the next big thing, I'm me bad, I'm me this, I'm me that. Just two way people say she hate me. Just two way people say. She just hate me. Anyway, she go perform before me a best of the best, but I know that's the problem. When she go perform before me, because she was bigger than me, she thinks that they go drown me. Because so dancehall go, anybody when we dancehall and follow it properly, she thinks she da go flap me. She thinks she da go drown me and I couldn't do nothing else. Because true, at the time, you know, we probably have the same similar performance or style or the same slackness. Me no know what fly up in her head. She know want me work before her. Which at then the time there, when you come on to stage show, anybody when know Spice, me don't care. Anybody can work before me. Me go sting go work in the morning when me a young little girl. If we no start, me soon I talk no, but Spice no, but I tune don't know Spice. That's why I leave when I talk, because no founder don't really know me. Because we don't have the history of dancehall. Right? So she run go perform before me and me calm down. Like me say, me A&R Neil Diamond was there. And me go perform after. She thinks she didn't eat me before that, you know, but yes, so she ate me. When me go perform after, me alarm go off 1 second. When me go perform after now, and mash up the place, and bust up best of the best. Hey, yeah. Yes, so it start and yes, so it there. So the big dirty war and argument what you know of me and her pan the Twitter. Yes, so it did start. Me make sure I go into the history right, cause you can't jump up now and say where this a come from. You have to know how it go. You have to know the history. So when you see she come now with such a hate against me, it's not just now. And that is why I say, when you go turn over your life to God, you have to be ready. It's very important and it needs to be clear with not just her. When you go take that step there and say you're ready, you have to really and truly ready. Because she never ready, you know. She don't naturally go in our church ready, cleanse, have the purity, do our forgiveness and our healing and go to it like, oh, you know, Jesus called me, I'm ready. She only go because at the time Spice I get hot. Spice I get hot. Them time they all Tifa did that do her thing. Me no forget one time, you know, all Tifa if Tifa ever start our story about this woman. Dog nyam on a supper. 2014 when me get some me like it. And she see within herself say somebody else a go come up. She never really ready. She never really ready. She never really ready. If you go in a church. That's why no fauno can look on her and see it in her. Say, I dance all your heart still there. Because I don't understand, you know. Oh, you is a big minister. Make we talk about it. Make we sit down and talk about it. Oh, you know what I do my body? Oh, you know what I do my body? Oh, you know me go to New York. What day and bring mattress on stage? Oh, you know? I saw you sit down and watch me. I saw you sit down as a minister and I watch me. I say you sit down and watch me. Oh, you feel open your mouth and discriminate a genre we have done so much for you. Oh, you feel open your mouth and discriminate women. When you should have empower and bring you up. If you was real and natural and pure, you'd have come out and you'd have say, Spice, Jada, Shensia, I was there. As a matter of fact, your dirty mouth put you go to prison. You know you set your dirty mouth for say, Shen, me want to do a song with you, your dirty blood clot, you. You never know say God no play. I got this, I make you attack, you know. Why you never come out, come say you want to do a song with all of the woman them and with you unite. You're dirty. Hey, you're a witch. You is a wicked demonic witch. And it a show in you. You come like the white witch of Rosal. You can't trick me. But me attack from now because me know when you do song and me answer it, nobody open up their mouth and tell me say me love problem. If you say yes I me feel like the S match for spice. If you say the blue, I me feel like the blue, the B after the word blue, match for me blue ear. I'm going to answer and this you up. Because I never trouble you. You're in your church, you figure work for Christ. How much soul you save from your baptized? We could talk about it. I want the things me have to talk, and we will talk in a jumble, but me will come back round to it and talk. How much soul you save? Me say from you go to church, how much soul you save? Because all of my Christian life, when me know people get baptized for save soul. How much soul you save? Wanna type it if you don't know. You no save no blood clot soul. You no save no soul. You know, see you go in a church and them run you out of church. The pastor see the demon in you and say, get behind me, Satan, and run you out. You is a serpent. You is a Jezebel. Your heart black. Your heart dirty. You're wicked and you're evil. The first 8 when we get in a dance hall is you show me 8. 1999, they could talk about it. I want to say if you talk, me I go talk. $19.99. Bounty killer. Me not ready to go this yet. Me have so much something to talk about, you know. Because you see when me are talking a portion, me want talk because you say you give me advice. You say, when me a sing, because me just remember the pieces them. When me a sing one way, a tick attack. I be a fuckery I sing in a church. I sing one gospel song when me hear nobody a sing. Nobody not sing your song them, your gospel song them. A promotion you look for the album. Where I come? A dancer you want to promote the album but you still a bash dancer. You, hey. Which gospel song? Make I take a deep breath. Because of me say my favorite genre is gospel. Which gospel song this woman sing we wanna know? Wanna type it? You know sing no gospel song for somebody in a dance and say, Jesus Christ, me I go baptize. Listen to Lady Sir, listen to Marion. Every gospel song, if me ever downstairs by my fridge I play a gospel Sunday morning and I keep service and YouTube I skip through the gospel music, them and your voice ever come on, me have to skip it. Me have to skip it because you can't hear the terribleness in your voice. You no sound no different. You no convert. You never really want to go in a church. You still have the same jealous, dirty, bad mind ways in you. When Kevin Downswell, come on. When Kevin Downswell, come on. Hey, may I tell you, anywhere you're there, and you hear Kevin Downswell, come on. You can't hear the joy in the man's voice. You can't hear the beauty. You can't hear the spiritualness in a Kevin Downswell voice. Anyone ever play a song from Kevin Downswell? Almighty God, come on, man. Make a preach in your phone now.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know. It's a long live, but I just capture the piece there for me to see what I want to keep the fans them update and entertained and informed. They must have Spice she ready for answer. Anytime them do that song there. And if she feel like any part of the song connect to her or any shade that she go answer and this them or this Mama Sir. You know, but I live good, me say now. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. Big up Marion, big up Spice, Shense, everybody. Is it? Dancer, full of bagger and bang around. Yeah man, I'm out. Not another word that I'm out.
Support of all victims of abuse.
No more I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I will shine this.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.